Drinking Frosty juice gives you super energy. If you don't drink it, they'll watch you while you
Don't get upset, Frosty.
I'm completely calm!
Here I come!
Oh my god!
Don't get upset, Frosty.
I won't leave you, but you have to promise to behave yourself and
refuse to stand up.
Upset is waking up and finding out somebody forgot to give you bombs.
Frosty the Snowman!
The next day,
had suddenly become
How will we get out of this one?
All right, wait. I'm getting something.
That's it. I'm out of ideas.
We're closed. Yes.
You shitting me?
Nope.
Holly, you're gonna miss your bus.